What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the AHA Roadmap building platform and its different features. So Roadmap is like where you lay down all your like goals, tasks, delivery dates, whatever, and you will lay the dates, the due dates, the like start and end date, and like the start and end date and all the details. Like if you are familiar with tools such as Monday.com, they do have like a roadmap or a timeline view. So that's probably close to it. Now let's get to the video. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's aha.io. You'll land on their homepage right here, where they'll give you some screenshots, some features, some details about the platform. Also, some of the bigger names here or bigger companies that use them. They also provide you with a tutorial to learn more about the platform. And here you can create roadmaps in minutes. You can choose a template, so they do have lots of templates to offer. You can communicate progress with your team members, and you can share the presentations that update automatically. Also, you can link all products, work, and strategies here to define your product vision, build out customer personas, and set goals and initiatives to connect features and strategies. Here you have also some testimonials, some reviews, some more information, more data, more statistics. So they promise that they offer or give you 20% planning efficiency gains, up to 500 hours saved annually, 30% less time tracking status. So pretty useful tools right here. And now you can also see that it integrates with lots of different tools such as Slack, Teams, and Salesforce, and others. Okay, and now we can start our free trial. You can sign in with Google or start a free trial by email, and that's what I'm going to do right here. So I'm going to enter my email and then start a free trial, or click on start your free trial here in the upper right corner. Okay, I entered my email right here. Sign up with email. Now I need to enter my first, last name, company name, and add a password and select my country. So I'm going to do so pretty quickly. Now the company name is How to Simple, and I'll just choose a password right here. Okay, and the country, let's leave it as United States. Okay, let's change this letter, and now we're good to go. Create account. And now I'm done. Now I'm going to go with this setup wizard in order to go ahead and set up my first workspace. Let's name it test. Okay, next. Let's go with your first workspace. Let's say here, if you go over each template, you get like an overview of it. So this product template is for developing new functionalities for customers. This is for project to track cross-functional program. And you have other templates as well, or views as well. So let's go with the project here. And here I can invite like colleagues to join my workspace. I'll skip it for now. And now they give you a time, or they suggest you to meet product experts. I'll just skip it for now. And now I can start working or try a demo workspace or join a live demo. So I'll just tour a demo workspace right here with like bogus products and example guidelines here. Okay, what do you want to work on? Let's say set strategy and manage schedules. Okay, you can choose as many as you want, and they are starting now to build your workspace. And here, let's for example go to strategy. What are your goals? Here I can set up my goals right here with a high and low effort and value. So here is low value, low effort. Here is high value, high effort, and so on. So here let's add a goal. So let's say create a video tutorial on AHA, and this would be, I can add a description, I can add a success metric. So here, let's say plus 50%, and then create the goal. Now that the goal is created, I can manage the goal here. I can add comments, add to-dos, add related to the goals here. I can view the history. So the to-do, let's say record the video Okay, save. And another task is to edit the video. Okay, save, and then uploading it, sharing it, publishing it. You see. Now let's go back here to our strategy overview. And here I have the goal right here. Let's see the plans. You can set here different schedules for different goals. So you can add activities and phases. Here you can manage dependencies. Let's close this for now. Okay, now let's see here. These are the example schedules that I have. And I can drag this to see or to control the timeline or the time frame necessary. Let's drag it here. Okay. And I can view here my different tasks. So this is a research. As I told you, there are some sample tasks that are generated. So set strategic goals and define activities, which will be between June 17th and June 19th. I can also control the time frame right here, or the date range for each task. So let's change it to June 22nd. And as you can see, it expands to fill this time frame. Now that I set my workspace here, I have different views, and I can also get different views like right here, like a progress view, which will generate for me. Okay, plan a schedule. And these are the same tasks, but in a different view. And I can also get a calendar view. Okay, let's close this pop-up here. I have the calendar view with all my tasks that should be here. As you can see here, the tasks are in their respective dates. And let's go back to the default Gantt view. And here you have knowledge. I have the strategy view. I have the plans. I can view these different views. I can have ideas here, and I can view the different activities like the board prioritization, user story map, and workflow. And I can save the view as well as I want. And I can also add workspaces. So here for how to simple, and I can add the test workspace as well. So when I add the test workspace, you'll see here some scheduled that are added. And you can also edit the view as well, and the tasks will still appear. So this was like an overview of the AHA platform, roadmap platform, and its different features and benefits.